orange clove essential oil, and I use the orange 15X essential oil. So let's get started. I've already got my oils and butters melted down, ready to go. Everything's already added. I've got my lye water. I'm going to test my temps and get started. I've got everything measured out. I also have my essential oils, or my essential oil blend. This is some clove, some actual ground clove that we have. I have some passion orange mica, and there that is, and that's what it looks like. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to pour my lye water in. So I'm going to add the essential oil in. Pour off some of that. This, I'm not going to put any coloring in, but I'm going to put some cloves in my soap. I'm going to mix this in my hand. And this is actual cloves going into the orange clove soap. Doing anything too fancy to the soap. A lot of people, some people don't like anything added to their soaps. They just want soap and essential oil. They don't want even colorants. They don't want herbs. They don't want anything. They just want soap. Here's the mica line. So I'm going to dust this with some mica. All right. I just put it in here like that, and then I get something and tap it out. Alright, so that's what I do. I'm going to get this, and if I don't hurry up, I'm going to have a mess because this is starting to set up because I stick blended it too much. Alright, you don't want to break through that mica line. You want to just lay it down in there. You don't want to break through your mica line though. Do not break through the mica line. So if I don't hurry up, I'm going to be in trouble. You'll see with soap making if you have never made your first batch of soap yet. Different fragrances, different oils are different. And also I stick blended the dog out of this one. So this one, yeah, it's setting up for me because I stick blended the dog out of it. And that's a southern term, the dog. Stick blended the dog out of it. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to bang this down and I'm going to come back and finish it off. Alrighty. What that does, banging it down, that gets your air bubbles out of it. Okay, so I'm just going to top it off the rest of the way with my soap that I have because it's setting up, as you can see. This is going to be a plop job. But it's going to set up just fine. See that floppy stuff? Gotta hurry because it's going to be soap in a bucket if I don't get it out. I'm going to bang this down one more time and I'll be right back. be careful when I cut it anyway, because these type of things will come off. I'm just going to sprinkle them around. I'm not going to try to be in the middle. This is my orange clove soap. I'm going to spritz it with a little alcohol to help prevent soda ash. Orange clove, guys. I'm going to put this thing to bed, and I'm going to come back and 18 to 24 hours, and I'll attach it to this video, and you can see the cutting video. Be right back. Hi everybody, I'm back from day 2. Somebody asked me how do I unmold my soaps from the silicone mold. Now I get these at Nurture Soap. I had said earlier in the video that I love these soaps because they come out of the mold. You just pop them out of the wooden mold and you peel them back a little bit from each side of the silicone mold, and I just simply take it and pop them out. And sometimes I stand them up like this, and then you probably can't see all of it, but I peel back the silicone and just grab the soap up. That's how. Now this one has cloves on the top of the soap, so I'm going to flip this to the side to cut this soap because I don't want to make any marks in my soap. It smells really good if you like clove. It's a spicy soap. And you can just see the clove in this bottom half. See that mica line? That's a mica line. I probably should have got it a little bit taller, but I like the natural soap on the top. I didn't put any colorants. The orange tint to it is from the clove oil and the orange oil, and I used the orange 15X orange essential oil and clove essential oil. There's one side and the other side. I'm going to speed the video up. The same thing throughout the barb. Throughout the loaf. So I'm going to speed it up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video.